Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can log into Groq. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome, and after opening the browser in here, click on the search bar and start typing console.groq.com/home. So after you have typed that down, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official login page of Groq. And in here, you can click on the login with GitHub if you have signed up your Groq account with GitHub, or if you can even click on the login with Google if you have signed up your account with Google. Since I have signed up my account manually, I'm going to enter my email address first and then click on login with email. After you have clicked on login with email, a email will be sent to your mail inbox. So all you have to do is open your mail inbox. In here you can see this is my email inbox and Groq has sent me an email. You can simply just open the email and inside this email you'll be able to see the option of login. Simply just click on it and then this will now log you in your Groq account. And just like this, here you can see you have now successfully been logged into your Groq. Here you can even click on this profile icon that you can see right here. And then in here you can see your mail address right here. And now you know that you have officially logged into Groq. And just like this, you can log into Groq. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.